Fit nice. I may just get a pair off of Shein. But anyway, this is not why. Hey y'all, welcome back. Really quick, I just wanted to check in. I forgot what time I started my makeup, to be honest. If I remember, I'll try and leave it across the screen. So why I'm jumping on this here camera is because I am still wearing the new Patrickta. I did have on a wig, but I took it off because I just wanted to wear my real hair. If y'all didn't know, I did get my hair cut. This here is my real hair length. It's actually growing back. Like, that's why I'm not never scared to cut my hair, because it's growing back. This is not why we're here. I'm planning to go to Marshall's. Come back home, I will have a haul for you all. And to just let you know, I'm wearing the foundation. I am going to try it out while I'm out. And again, here is the foundation. So far, so good. I haven't looked back at my footage to actually see how it looks, because like I said, that's how I determine if a foundation is worth me keeping. Mention this foundation is a little pricey, and it's probably because it's a dual type of foundation where you get your setting powder and foundation all together. So I think this is like $50-something for combination oily skin girls. I did wear the Gucci blush, you all. I love it, but I will say a little goes a long way, like I mentioned in the video. I plan to put this here on. I'm waiting for my daughter to text and let me know that she is at the bus stop. Because on Tuesdays we usually go to the movies. Nothing planned worth going, so I was like, you know what, let's go shopping. And if y'all don't know, I love to shop. And like I said, we are going to Marshall's to get some things for the house, maybe some new work pants, like black work pants. I'm gonna do a Shein order for my daughter, so I'll probably throw some in her order as well. List of favorites, because I did do a favorites video, so I wrote the list, so when I go back to edit the video, I can list all the products for you all, because I know I have a bad habit of forgetting to list products. Go ahead and wrap this up. But yeah, real quick, I was thinking of incorporating makeup. You already know I want to do that. And like I said before, my makeup videos don't do that well, but I was thinking of maybe filming 2 videos far as bag videos or whatever like that. I was thinking of making my second video be like a makeup type video, like makeup Wednesdays, I guess. Upload makeup videos on Wednesdays, and then I'll upload my original videos on Sunday. Let me know if you would like something like that, because I have a lot of makeup that I want to share with you all, and I get a lot of compliments on my makeup. I'm comfortable with sharing my makeup looks with you all. Let me know if you would be interested in that. Like I said, instead of cutting out my bag videos, I'll do bag videos, those type of videos on Sundays, and do my makeup videos probably on a Wednesday. Sometimes I learn different things from brands, so I can also share that with you all, because brands do come in to train us. So what I learned, what they teach me, I can also teach you all. I can also teach you below if that's something you would be interested in. So let me go ahead and get myself together so I can go pick up my daughter. See you when I get back from Marshall's. Okay, y'all, I'm back home. It is now, what time is it? So it's 6:19. I had this makeup on for a while. When I went to Marshall's, I didn't put my air on because it was hot, but it wasn't that hot for me to put my air on. Just tell you, it lasts through that. Did have a little bit of sweat up here above my Cupid's bow. Other than that, she is a keeper. Go ahead and show you what we got from Ross. We went to Ross and Marshall's. They are my favorite cookies of all time. And I found this at Ross, you all. I buy another thing pumpkin in this house. I found this here pumpkin pie sauce to use on top of my to use with my coffee, and I got this at Ross for $4.49. I think it's a little cheaper at Ross. Then I got myself some sheets, because I had white sheets and I don't know, they've been looking like dingy. So I was like, let me get some dark sheets. So I just got a thing of sheets for $22.99. This is the place to get sheets because they are a lot cheaper than TJ Maxx and Marshall. Just FYI. My daughter got a pair of socks, and she also got this shirt. So that's all that I got at Ross. That cost me what, $55 or $50 something. And Marshall's, you all, my daughter was able to grab herself Crocs. If y'all didn't know, TJ Maxx and Marshalls do sell Crocs, and they were, how much are they? They were $24.99. Buy these separately. They were $9.99. Need some little bling for your Crocs. I will highly recommend TJ Maxx and Marshalls because they had the actual Croc brand. So, because my daughter's like, oh, they might be cheaper at Crocs, but I'm like, I don't think so because they were $9.99, so I don't think they would have been cheaper at Crocs. I got this for my kitchen. It says blessed and grateful because that's how I'm feeling. Also got this for the bathroom because I have a lot of skincare, body wash that I don't have like on my rack, like my shower rack. So I decided to get something like this. So fingers crossed it holds my products. Daughter got these here Halloween pants. Oh, if I didn't mention, this was $16.99. Mentioned these were $7.99. These were $9.99. At this for my kitchen area, this was $4.99. These here black pants by the Kendall and Kylie brand. I got them for work. They look real nice. I don't know if I want to use them for work because they like fancy. They were $19.99. What's the original price? I have the original price, but yeah, I got these here for work. If they fit nice, I may just get a pair off of Shein. Got a white shirt. I have a lot of white shirts, but you can't go wrong with a good white shirt. And I got these to go with those pants or whatever else I wear. This here pink, the pink stuff. I'm gonna read up on it, but I think I saw this on Amazon, and this was $5.99. And that was everything that we got while we were out. So I just wanted to share really quick a update on this hair makeup. I give it 2 thumbs up, you all. It looks amazing. My blush is still in place, and I didn't set my face today. Like, I did spray my face, but it wasn't with like a setting spray like I usually use when it's hot outside. So I have set my face with like an actual setting spray. This foundation held up really nice. Enjoyed this hair video. Please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and a notification bell so y'all can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.